Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add a new page to your website's site menu on Wix in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to the Wix website editor and access also the website you would like to edit. Here in the top left next to page, you will see the pages that are part of your website. As you can see, I created this blank page here that I may now fill with content like elements, or go with templates, for example, or use these menus here to the left, add sections, add elements, and add content to it. Now, if you'd like to add a blank page like this, guys, you'll need to access the pages and menu here to the left and select site menu. And here you will see the list of all pages that are part of your website. So to add a new one, select add page here. And on the next page, you will get asked whether you'd like to use a customizable page template from the Wix library or a blank page. And if you select blank page, you will receive a result like this, guys. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.